Assalamu alaikum guys. In today's video I am going to teach you about preposition and its kinds. So first of all I'll tell you what is a preposition. A preposition is a word which is placed before a noun or a pronoun to show in what relation the person or thing denoted by it stands in regard to something else. Here I have written few example. She is fond of reading. In this sentence the word of is preposition. Second sentence is let us hope for the best. In this sentence the word for is preposition. The next example is the pen is under the table. In this example the word under is preposition. So the guys, the word like by, at, in, up, from, under, beside, without, all these are called preposition. So guys, we can say that preposition is a word that shows the relation of one noun or pronoun with another noun or pronoun. Now guys, we will talk about the kinds of preposition. So move to very first kind of preposition, and that is simple preposition. They consist of one word, and they are very simple to understand and consider. They are the most basic preposition and are used frequently, like by, at, in, of, on, for, out, to, up, with, from, under, etc. All these are called simple preposition. Now guys, move to example. In this example I have used preposition. The first example is the book is on the chair. In this sentence the word on is preposition. Second sentence is the pen is in the drawer of the table. In this sentence the word in is simple preposition. Now guys, we will talk about the second kind of preposition, and that is compound preposition. So students, they are generally formed by prefixing a preposition to a noun, an adjective, or an adverb, like across, along, around, before, beside, behind, below, beneath, inside, outside, underneath, without, etc. Now move to example. He was sitting beside his mother. In this sentence the word beside is compound preposition. Second example is they are nothing without his assistance. In this word the word without is compound preposition. Now guys, move to third kind of preposition, and that is phrase preposition. So guys, they are group of verbs, adverbs and other words to function as a preposition. Like move to now example. The first example is Salman walked as far as he could. In this sentence the word as far as is phrase preposition. Now move to second example. With the exception of Rida, everybody had come to school. In this sentence the word with the exception is phrase preposition. So guys, like the words like as far as, because of, by means of, by virtue of, for the sake of, in case of, in front of, in order to, in spite of, with the exception, with regards to, all these are called phrase preposition. Now guys, we will talk about the fourth kind of preposition, and that is participle preposition. So guys, they are basically participle used as preposition. Now move to example. I am always curious about everything concerning you. In this sentence the word concerning is participle preposition. Second example is she works during the day and studies at night. In this sentence the word during is participle preposition. Now guys, move to the last kind of preposition, and that is disguise preposition. They are those prepositions which are not only used in the sentences but are implied. Classical example of disguise preposition are the letter like A and O. A mostly stand for the shortened form of preposition on, and O stands for the shortened form of the preposition of. Now move to example. Everyone went hunting. Here I have told you already, A stands for the preposition on. Be home by 9 o'clock. Here O represent the shortened form of preposition of. Now guys, let's have a quick recap of today's video. In today's video, I have told you about preposition and its 5 kinds. The first one is simple preposition, second is compound preposition, third is phrase preposition, fourth is participle preposition, and the last is disguise preposition. I hope your concepts regarding preposition and its 5 kinds will be clear after watching my today's video. We will meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.